Alrighty, beautiful people of the world, we're back here with another video, and yeah, this one's gonna be different. We're gonna talk about the reason why I started making videos, and well, I guess like a big misconception of why people start YouTube is, or not a misconception, but a lot of the reason why people start making videos on YouTube is because they want this clout, they want this money they see these bigger YouTubers have. And it's just like, okay, they come in thinking, hey, I'm gonna make a video and this is gonna blow up. I'm gonna gain 100,000 subscribers just like that. I'm gonna start making money on YouTube, and it's not like that. And wanna let you guys know that that's not what I came in thinking, and I rather came in thinking, hey, I'm just gonna make videos for fun. It wasn't for the clout, the money that these bigger YouTubers make it seem to be, you know? And then even at that, y'all freaking shame people for making videos, you know? Y'all give them shit like, hey, I don't know, it just feels like that, you know? Like, oh, this guy's making videos, or hey, this guy's making music. And it's like, hey man, like, is it because you're shaming this person because you want to do it, but you haven't, you know, got the opportunity to do so? It's like, come on, man. Hey, make a fucking YouTube video. Even at that, like, it's not as easy as you think, you know? I mean, yeah, you could just press the record button and put whatever you want. But it takes more than that. It's not just like, okay, like I said, you know, pressing the record button. It's like, okay, you gotta think of many ways to where the viewer, the person viewing the video, is interested enough or interested long enough to where the video is entertaining as possible, you know? There's a lot of things that factor in. I know my videos aren't that well, but I mean, you learn as you go, you know? You learn, and hopefully I'm able to, you know, grab these videos that I've made so far and, you know, gain something from it. Yeah, so like, to those people who, like, even at that, want to make or create a YouTube channel, yo, like, hit me up, bro.
He said no.
Well, make him say yes.
How the fuck am I tell him?
Mikey!
Damn, you're fucking making a scene.
Fucking do it, man, so I can get the fuck out of here.
Bro, I'm not gonna, honestly, like, here's how I think. You know what? Like, this person wants to create a YouTube channel. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna help you out, because that's the type of person I am. Like, I don't care. I'll shout you out on this 50 subscriber channel that I have. I don't care. So you can start your goddamn YouTube channel. Like, honestly, like, if I see you succeed, then I'm happy for you. That's how it's gonna be. You know, if you wanna go ahead and make your YouTube channel something, you know, for instance, my YouTube channel, I kind of put it to where I'm trying to make it as funny and entertaining as possible, but it's a mud of a channel. It's going to be you know, a bunch of different categories like I put in my playlist, from, hey, Tinder videos that I started, or the little skits that I've done, and even those social experiments that I've done. You know, that's all for fun. It's not like, I don't know. So if you want to, you know, create your YouTube channel with whatever the hell you want, then I mean, I don't care. I'm gonna shout you out. Like, I'm gonna be there and I'm gonna help you out, and we're gonna go forward with that. Like, I'm not gonna shame you or tell you, hey, nah, like, I'm not gonna shout you out unless, you know, you've been a little shit to me. Then hey, shut the hell up already. Hey, shut up, bro. You know, and like, I've had a few individuals who are like, aren't you embarrassed that you're making videos? Like, all these people can see you, and like, the dumb things they do. And it's like, bro, like, dude, if I cared about what people thought about me, I don't know, I feel like I wouldn't love myself enough as I do, you know? It's like, bro, I don't care. I don't care, man. And honestly, like, the videos I've made are pretty freaking trash. So for those 50 subscribers that I have, you know, I appreciate you guys. And I want this YouTube channel to be as interactive as possible, to where like, hey, I look down at the comment section and I am able to reply to you and, you know, have a conversation with you if anything. And I mean, a lot of people who are viewing these videos are friends, family members, and I mean, I'm gonna text away, guys. If you want, even if you have ideas to make videos, like, I mean, I'm just doing this for fun. I'm not, I don't care. I'm having fun, you know. Although, you know, I'm sorry for neglecting the channel in the way that I have, because I'm still in school, obviously, and making these videos does take up a lot of the time. So the last week, or the week before as well, was Thanksgiving, and the week going up to it, or leading up to it, I had a shoot load of tests, so I wasn't able to, you know, record anything. And then finals are coming up, so next week I'm probably not even gonna be around. But yeah, I mean, I love you guys. I hope you guys share it to your friends. You know, I'm having fun here, and hopefully we can create something with it. Oh, and also, like, if you guys want me to shout you out or something, like, yo, like, I'm more than welcome to, Brett. God dang, I feel like this little rant was just unnecessary, but I mean, this is the reason why I started making videos. It was just, you know, for the fun of it, and yeah, hope you guys, I mean, I don't know if you guys enjoy them. I mean, I have fun doing it. That's all that matters, really, you know? Alrighty, so yeah, this video was a little different, and I hope you guys liked it. I don't know if you guys want to see more of these, just like me ranting off or anything, having even like the littlest of conversation with you guys, because I'm talking into a fucking camera, and it's kind of odd, you know? Yeah. But yeah, if you all like the video, go ahead and, I mean, subscribe, show it to your friends, guys, so we could grow this channel. And, you know, for those other individuals who want to create a YouTube channel as well, I can hopefully gain a few subscribers on here and shout you out so you can start yours, if anything. I love you guys. Stay true. I don't know how to end these, dude.